Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi friends, today I am unboxing grade 1 books, IB books. I am showing you my English book. This is English Colleen book. Okay? Maths book by S. Lata. Telugu textbook Jabali. Now I will show you my notebooks. This is Telugu notebook. Okay? I will show you this inside also. This is Telugu notebook. See? Okay. I am studying in MERIDIAN school. This is English book. Sorry. We doesn't have English book, right? That's why we are showing you handwriting books. See inside. English book. English book. Okay. Essay book. Standalone we can call. See. I'll show you inside standalone. First page, tree book, my madam will call. This, my friends. Second page is standalone, okay. Notebook. Unit of inquiry, UI. Okay. It is maths book and so big it is. See? It has eye on the road. This is tables. Next I will show you my UI handouts. Okay? It is white paper. So handsome, right? Like me. Okay? It is waste management. See, I don't know how to read it. Okay? This is my UI paper first one. Now I will show you my worksheets. See. సో చూసారుగా నా గ్రేడ్ 1 బుక్స్. దీన్ని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, బెల్ కొట్టండి. బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. బాయ్.